Myron, I just want to congratulate you once again for being the recipient of Grainger's 2018 Tools for Tomorrow Scholarship. It's a really big deal, and it's something that Grainger is really proud of. We believe and support the skilled trades industry. The products that we sell help to maintain, repair, and operate facilities in a safe manner. We're really proud of you for winning this, and we hope that this is going to help build upon your success. After winning the certificate, what kind of impact did that have?
Well, I've dealt with Grainger in the past. My mentor, Orvin Titus, he dealt with getting Grainger products, and we've always had good experience with it. As far as getting the award, it's very exciting to be able to have the tools to do the work, and the help with the financial part is really good too.
That's wonderful. Well, once again, we wish you much success in your future, and congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Myron.
that.